जाल सील केले आम्ही बिकॉज दे डिडंट हॅव द प्रॉपर लायसन्सेस. हांगा हे आणले आमच्या एक लेटर आमी तांकां लेटर दिल्ली ऑन 2/6/26 आनी तेज्या उपरांत आमकां तेजे आदी रिपोर्ट येयलेलो आमकां एज अ ऑफिस ऑफ द डिस्ट्रिक्ट मॅजिस्ट्रेट नॉर्थ गोवा कलेक्टराचो विथ जॉयंट एनफोर्समेंट एंड मॉनिटरींग कमिटी रिपोर्ट येयल्लो. सो तेजेर सगळे इलिगलिटीज कितें आहा तेजेर उरयल्ले आसा. त्या पासत आमी तांकां सांगलें बाबा तुमी काडात आनी तांकां आमी आपयलेले शो कॉज नोटीस दिल्ली आपयले पर्सनल हियरींग दिलें आनी तांकां सांगलेलें फ्रॉम जून वी आर ऑपरेटींग हें करता. आतां आनी रावंक जायना आमकां आमी आतां स्टार्ट केलां सिलिंग ऑफ द प्रॉमायसीस.
कितल्यांक सुमार काल ही गजाल घडली?
3:30 जातली. आमी 3 भायर सरले आसा सर.
इलिगॅलिटीज एक्झॅक्टली कितें थंय चालू आशिल्ली?
आतां पळय तुका जाय जाल्यार हो रिपोर्ट यो आनी व्हर. आतां 17 जाणांचो रिपोर्ट हांव तूं फट करून कशें सांगतलो तुका.
काल 4 प्रिमायसीस सील केला. ह्यान फुडें आनी कितें जावपाचें आसा?
हय आनी आयज वयता न्हू आतां वयतले आमी 3 आनी उरलेले आहा तांकां वयता कित्याक तेंचे कितें प्रॉब्लम जाला न्हू. तांकां दार आसा न्हू तांकां दाराक लॉक ना ते आयडिया रिस्क खातीर आनी भितरल्यान ते टेबलां लायता ते रातचे. आतां आमी कितें केलां आमी वेल्डिंग मारता वेल्डिंग मशीन घेतला आमी आनी तेजो ते भायल्यान वेल्डिंग मारतले.
So clubs which are mushrooming is nothing but the front of dance bars. So dance bars which were sealed by the Honorable High Court because they don't have construction license, they don't have TCP approval. Means if there is TCP approval, there will be construction license, and they don't have occupancy. They don't have a pollution control board license. They don't have a health license. They don't have fire and emergency services license. So I am very happy that the Panchayat has sealed some places yesterday. So my letters, various letters have gone earlier also to Panchayat, also to the departments that mushrooming of this, the numbers are just increasing of clubs. Nobody wants clubs here in Calangute. Nobody wants. The locals don't want, nobody wants club. Clubs is nothing but the front for prostitution, front for dance bars, which ultimately results into prostitution. So we need to stop all these things, which we had stopped earlier, and now again slowly they are mushrooming because the season is about to start. And village panchayat of Calangute needs to be proactive more. I will see that police protection is given for every such sealing, and they should identify all those clubs which are doing other activities without having the panchayat license. I have also told the village panchayat that some of these clubs have just done extensions to their existing structure which were legal structure. The behind structure is legal, but extension is more than 50% more. So those should be removed.